Can you guys do this? What's this? 5.
¿Listos? Ojos viendo, oídos escuchando, voces calladas, cuerpos llamados. Así es como escuchamos, así es como
listen at circle time. At circle time.
Muy bien,
Wow,
amigo.
we're so excited. You look at all you guys. Jimena and Eliam, we can't hear you. Would you guys push the mute button for me? Okay. So today we're super excited because we don't have that many circles left, but we want to do a really special activity with you guys about a book, and it's a Dr. Seuss book. Look, 10 apples. You guys know this book? You know this book?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a good book, isn't it? So we're going to read this book. We're going to read it online, though. I'm going to show you in a little bit. So we're going to talk about, can you see this behind me? You see this? That's called a graph. Stephanie has some questions for you about the graph and how we're going to pick and choose what kind of apple we like the best. And Miss Kristen, welcome to our meeting. Okay. All right. So Miss Stephanie, you have some questions for them?
Ok. Amigos, ¿ustedes saben por qué contamos? ¿Por qué tienen que contar?
Lo que te está preguntando.
Para saber las cantidades.
Muy bien, Angie. Sí, para saber las cantidades, ¿verdad? Queremos saber cuántos juguetes hay o queremos saber cuántos...
Tenemos.
Sí, muy bien.
¿Cuántos dedos tenemos?
Para saber cuántas cosas tenemos. Por ejemplo, si queremos saber cuántos dedos tenemos, ¿qué tenemos que hacer?
Contar.
Contar.
Así que tenemos que ver cuántas caras tenemos, hay que contar.
Exactamente, Angie.
And today we're going to count 10.
Y ahora queremos saber cómo contar para saber cuántas manzanas nos gustan, ¿verdad? Entonces, vamos a usar una graph y nosotros vamos a poner cuál es nuestra favorita. Y para saber cuál tiene más, tenemos que contar. Muy bien.
Okay.
Hay 8.
So be thinking about what you think your favorite color apple is while we read the story, okay? You've got 3 choices. You've got red color, red, and yellow. What color? Yellow and green. What color?
Green.
Green. Very good. Okay. Are you guys ready for the story? You ready? Thumbs up if you're ready for the story. Miss Stephanie's ready. Miss Kristen's ready. Elian's ready. Angie's ready. Jimena and Arturo is ready. Carlos is ready. Okay, here we go.
¿Estás lista, Brianna?
Okay. Go ahead, nod, Miss Stephanie. All right, here we go. Can you guys see the story?
No. Not yet.
Okay. Give it a minute.
There you go.
Okay. All right, perfect. So we're going to read 10 apples up on top. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, I can do it too.
You can do it.
Look, see, I can do 3. 3, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Now I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7, fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now here, 8, 8 on top, 8 apples up, not 1 will drop. 8, 8, and we can skate. Look, now we can skate with 8. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We all are very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. 9 is very good, but then come on and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop.
I don't need me.
Look out, I can see a mop. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you one and all. Come on, come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. They will get them if we let them come. We cannot let them get them. Look out, the mop, the mop, the mop. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not one. Come on, come one, come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop, stop, stop. Now all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to... Uh-oh. You guys see the big explosion? Look, 10 apples on us all. What fun. We will not let them fall. 10 apples on top. The end. Did you guys like that story? Yeah. So much fun, right?
Yeah.
So, here we go. So we're going to talk about a graph now. And a graph is what you see behind me. It's a way of looking at numbers and counting them.
Oh, you're presenting still, so we can't see.
Yes, I'm sorry. Let me stop presenting. Thank you, Miss Kristen. So I want everybody to think. Can you point to your brain? Point to your very smart, very big brain. And I want you to think about what your favorite color is of apples are. Remember, we have red, yellow, or green. And I'm going to start in the top corner. Brianna, what color apple do you like?
Red.
Red. Okay, you got it. I'm going to write your name. I'm going to write your name on a red apple. Okay. Elion, you're next. What color apple do you like? Red, yellow, or green?
Yeah.
Elion, do you remember when we used to eat apples with the Nutella?
Yeah.
Do you remember how delicious that was? Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. And so
With peanut butter.
Yep. One of our apples on the floor. All right. So I'm going to put Elion under the green apple. Okay, Arturo, what is your favorite color apple? Arturo, what color? Red, yellow, or green?
Rojo.
Rojo? Okay.
Red.
Red. Okay.
Angie.
Es que está triste.
Okay. All right. Jimena, what color?
¿Cuál
Tengo chocolate.
Jimena, what color?
¿Cómo te burlas de mí?
Fernando, estoy en clase. Ve, siéntate ya, por favor.
Jimena, can you hear me?
Jimena.
Red apple.
She's
Green apple.
muted, we can't hear her. Jimena, what color apple?
Red apple.
¿Qué color de manzana te gusta, Jimena?
Red apple.
¿Te gusta la roja?
Stephanie, ¿no le puedes quitar tú el mute?
No.
Okay. Jimena, I'll come back to you. Give you some think time. Angie, what color?
¿De qué color de manzana te gusta?
Purple.
No hay purple.
Purple's not a choice, though. Can we have red, yellow, or green? What do you like?
Yellow, green, red.
I
Red?
like red.
Okay.
¿Te gusta el rojo?
Jimena's on mute.
Yep, Jimena's on mute. She's not unmuted yet, so we're waiting on her. Carlos, what color? Carlos, what color? ¿Qué color manzana? ¿Te gusta? Yellow? 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 Okay.
Miss Carol, can you try to unmute Jimena? Maybe you can do it.
Yes, maybe I can. Okay, Carlos likes yellow.
Miss Stephanie, you can mute people, but you can't unmute them.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, you can.
Oh, ya salió. Jimena,
Ahora sí me.
¿qué color de manzana te gusta?
El rosita.
¿El rojo, amarillo o verde?
El verde.
¿Te gusta la manzana verde?
See?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that's all the kiddos that we have. Okay. Teachers, I have 2 yellow ones and 1 green one left, or I could just write your name under the right color. Okay, so Miss Stephanie, what color would you like?
A mí me gusta la manzana roja.
Rojo. Okay, so I'm going to put Miss Stephanie here. Miss Kristen, what would you like? What color?
Otro día, como la manzana amarillo.
Amarillo.
Oh,
The other day I had a really yummy apple that was yellow.
so yummy. Okay. Is Miss Jessica still here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Jessica, what color?
A mí me gustan las manzanas verdes.
Verde. Wonderful. Okay. And then we're going to get ready to count. So you need to be thinking about how many of each one you think we have. And then we're going to see which one is everybody's favorite, the most. Okay? And Miss Carol's going to pick a yellow. Okay. Are you guys ready to count? Yes? Okay, here we go.
Yes.
All right, everybody can still see the chart? All right, let's count red. What color are we going to count first?
Rojo.
Red. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, How many red ones do we have?
4.
4 manzanas rojas.
Okay, let's count our yellow ones. You guys ready? Whoops. 1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
3. How many yellow ones do we have?
4.
3. We have 4, but it's really 3 because this is what kind it is.
3 manzanas amarillas.
Amarillas, okay? Let's count our green ones. You guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2,
2, 3,
3. 3. Okay.
3 manzanas verdes.
You can raise your hand and tell me which apples are the most. Which one has the most?
¿Cuáles hay más?
The biggest one. Angie, which one has the most? Red, yellow, or green?
Red.
Red. How do you know, Angie? How do you know? How do you know there's more?
Maria.
Listen.
Because I'm listening to the number.
You're listening to the numbers? Very good. Okay? If you guys agree with Angie, give her a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Elian, can I see your thumb? Good job. Brianna, thumbs up. Good job. You are right. Angie, there are 4 red apples. There are how many of the yellow? 3 and 3. And you know what? This is equal. It's the same, isn't it? Right?
Yeah.
Same. Very good. Very good. Okay. So we learned that as a group, as a circle group today, the red one had more. There are more people in this circle that liked the red one. Okay? All right. Miss Stephanie, do you want to ask him the question at the end?
Amigos, ¿quién me puede decir qué fue lo que contamos el día de hoy? ¿Qué contamos?
Números.
Elian, ¿qué contamos? Manzanas.
Right.
¿Por qué contamos las manzanas? ¿Por qué las contamos?
Para saber cuántas son.
Exacto, porque queríamos saber cuáles manzanas nos gustan, ¿verdad? Si nos gusta la manzana roja o la manzana amarilla o la verde. ¿Y cuál es la que nos gusta más? Roja.
Very good. Good job. Okay.
¿La manzana amarilla y la manzana verde nos gustan igual? ¿Son iguales? 3 amarillas y 3 verdes. ¿Son iguales? Muy bien.
Good job, everybody. You guys did great. Okay, we're going to say goodbye. We love you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye,
Friends. Okay, we're going to see some parents tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Go eat some apples. Eat some apples. Have a healthy snack. Okay. Bye, everybody.
See you next time.
See you next time, Arturo. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ya se cortó.
¿Ahora me puedo comer la paleta?
Sí, ahora sí se la puedes.
Sí.